In a pot, heat most of the milk, setting some aside for the egg yolks. Add the lemon peel, cinnamon stick, and butter, and bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the vermicelli, breaking it up by hand beforehand so the strands stay separate. When it comes back to a boil, cook the vermicelli for 3 minutes. Then add the sugar and cook for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, mix the egg yolks with the reserved milk until smooth. After 5 minutes, add the yolk mixture to the pot. Cook gently without letting it boil. Just before it starts boiling, turn off the heat. Remove the lemon peel and cinnamon stick. Serve in a large serving dish or in individual bowls. Once cooled, sprinkle with ground cinnamon. It's ready to serve. For the Portuguese Milk Vermicelli Pudding, you'll need 250 grams or 8.8 ounces of vermicelli pasta, 1,800 milliliters or 7.6 cups of milk, 450 grams or 1 pound of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 strips of lemon peel, 50 grams or 1.8 ounces of salted butter, 4 egg yolks, ground cinnamon to taste. This traditional dessert is delicious all year round, but it's especially popular at Christmas. It's quick, simple, and very budget-friendly.